Stop sabotaging yourself. 3 mental beliefs that destroy long-term compounding. What if the biggest obstacle standing between you and a dream, retirement, isn't the stock market, your income, or your age, but rather the invisible scripts running in your own mind? Today, we're not just talking about 401ks and IRAs. We are diving deep into the psychology of wealth building for the long term. If you're ready to build a truly secure future, hit that subscribe button. One of the most paralyzing beliefs is the thought, "It's too late for me to start saving meaningfully." This powerful idea keeps countless people from taking action, especially if they're in their 30s or 40s. They see the mountain of retirement savings they should have and feel so far behind that they simply give up before even beginning, ignoring the incredible growth potential that still lies ahead of them. Equally common is the all-or-nothing fallacy. I don't earn enough to max it out, so what's the point? This mindset tragically overlooks the immense power of starting small. The goal isn't necessarily to hit the legal contribution limit on day one. The real victory lies in establishing the habit of consistent saving, even a small amount, which can be gradually increased over time as your income grows. We also battle the urgent pull of the present, telling ourselves retirement is too far away to worry about right now. This is a classic cognitive bias known as hyperbolic discounting, where our brains are wired to value a small, immediate reward far more than a much larger one in the distant future. This psychological trap directly sabotages the consistent, long-term contributions that are essential for a secure retirement. These thoughts feel like undeniable truths, not just simple excuses. They are deep-seated limiting beliefs that actively shape our financial behavior and create powerful resistance to saving for our future selves. However, understanding where these formidable mental roadblocks actually come from is the first, most crucial step toward dismantling them and finally clearing the path toward the financial freedom you deserve. Those feelings of "it's too late" or "I don't have enough" are not born in a vacuum. They are often inherited. These financial mindsets are passed down through families and communities, shaping our subconscious blueprint long before we ever open a 401k or an IRA. The money conversations we overheard as children and the financial habits we witnessed form the foundation of our own relationship with money. Sociologically, many of us were raised in environments where the primary focus was on month-to-month survival, not on long-term wealth accumulation. The concept of investing for a future 40 years away could seem like an unattainable luxury when immediate needs were more pressing. This survival-first mindset, while practical for navigating short-term challenges, can create a significant psychological barrier to adopting a forward-thinking investment strategy. From a psychological perspective, human beings are hardwired for loss aversion. The emotional pain of losing money in the stock market is often felt twice as strongly as the pleasure of an equivalent gain. This is why a temporary dip in a 401k balance can trigger a panic response, reinforcing the erroneous belief that long-term saving is a dangerous gamble rather than a proven and essential strategy for future security. The media and culture at large also play a significant role in shaping our perceptions. We are bombarded with sensationalist stories of market crashes or unrealistic get-rich-quick schemes. This creates a distorted view of investing, painting it as a casino for the ultra-wealthy rather than celebrating the slow, steady, and accessible path of consistent retirement contributions that has built wealth for millions of ordinary people. Recognizing these powerful external and internal influences is not about placing blame, it's about claiming your power. When you understand the source of your financial anxieties, you can begin to consciously separate your past programming from your future potential. This profound awareness is what allows you to choose a new path, one based not on inherited fear, but on deliberate, informed, and empowering action. Taking control of your financial destiny begins with consciously replacing those old fear-based narratives with new, empowering truths. Instead of thinking, "it's too late," your new mantra becomes, "every single dollar I invest today is a powerful seed for my future." This isn't just wishful thinking. It has a strategic shift in perspective that reframes contribution as an immediate act of kindness to your future self. You must counteract the "I don't earn enough" excuse with the commitment, "I will automate what I can and grow from there." The magic is not in hitting the maximum contribution immediately, but in establishing the unwavering habit. To combat the "retirement is too far away" mindset, take time to visualize your future self in vivid detail. What does a truly fulfilling retirement look like for you? Is it traveling the world, launching a passion project, enjoying total freedom from financial stress? Behavioral studies have proven that forging this strong emotional connection to your future life makes you significantly more likely to make choices that benefit that person today. Start framing your 401k and IRA not as a restriction on your current lifestyle, but as your personal freedom fund. Every single contribution you make is a direct investment in your future autonomy, your choices, and your independence decades from now. This simple but profound reframe changes the act of saving from one of painful sacrifice to one of exhilarating liberation, making it a powerful source of motivation. Adopting these new, healthier mindsets is like learning the language of financial well-being. It requires consistent practice and patience, but the evidence supporting this new way of thinking is absolutely overwhelming. This approach is deeply rooted in decades of research into how disciplined and successful individuals truly build lasting wealth, security, and peace of mind for the long haul, and you can too. These alternative ways of thinking are not just feel-good platitudes, they are solidly backed by extensive research in the field of behavioral economics. Groundbreaking studies show our financial decisions are often irrational, driven by powerful cognitive biases like our aversion to loss. By consciously creating and reinforcing new mental frameworks, we can effectively bypass these biases and make more logical, beneficial choices for our long-term goals. The psychological concept of pre-commitment is perfectly embodied by the strategy of automating your 401k and IRA contributions. Research overwhelmingly confirms that when we make the decision to save just once and then automate the process, we are vastly more successful than if we must rely on finite willpower for each individual contribution. Automation effectively removes the daily temptation to spend that money on something else less important. Stanford University's classic marshmallow experiment offers a powerful and timeless analogy for retirement saving. The children who demonstrated the ability to delay gratification for a larger reward later on achieved greater success across many areas of life. Viewing your retirement contributions through this exact lens, a small, manageable sacrifice now for immense freedom later, is a scientifically backed strategy for building the discipline required for long-term investment success. Furthermore, psychological studies on goal-setting theory have repeatedly demonstrated that having a clear, specific, and emotionally resonant vision of the future dramatically increases your likelihood of achieving it. Vague goals like "I want to save more" are ineffective. A specific and inspiring goal like "I will invest enough to live mortgage-free and travel for 6 months every year" creates a powerful motivational pull. The science is undeniably clear. Your financial mindset is not a soft skill, but the fundamental operating system for your success. It directly dictates your habits, which in turn dictates your ultimate outcomes. The most empowering news is that this internal operating system can be upgraded. It doesn't require a dramatic, painful overhaul overnight, but rather a series of small, intentional, and consistent adjustments. Upgrading your financial operating system doesn't mean you must suddenly find a way to max out your 401k contributions tomorrow. The most sustainable and successful transformations always begin with micro-habits. Your first step can be as simple as logging into your retirement account just to understand your current holdings and contribution rate. This single act of engagement shatters inertia and builds a solid foundation for meaningful change. Commit to what behavioral scientists refer to as a 1% improvement. If you are currently contributing 4% of your income to your 401k, increase it to 5%. If you have not yet opened an IRA, start by contributing just $50 a month. This small, almost unnoticeable change avoids triggering your brain's natural resistance to drastic shifts, making the new, positive habit incredibly easy to adopt and maintain over time. Another profoundly powerful yet gradual change is to automate your annual increase. Create a simple contribution celebration ritual for yourself. Every time you increase your savings rate or make an extra IRA contribution, consciously acknowledge it. This doesn't need to be a lavish reward. It can be as simple as enjoying your favorite coffee or taking a mindful walk. This positive reinforcement, a key principle of habit formation, gradually rewires your brain to associate the act of saving with a positive feeling. These small, gradual steps are far more than just minor tweaks to your budget. They are the essential building blocks of a powerful financial machine. Each additional percentage point, each automated deposit, is another gear being added to a system designed for one singular and incredible purpose: to harness the most powerful force in finance for your own long-term benefit and security. That remarkable financial machine you are now building runs on an incredibly powerful fuel. Compound interest has been called the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. This is the magical process where your investment earnings begin generating their very own earnings, creating a snowball effect. This is where those small, consistent contributions you've started making begin their magnificent transformation, causing an exponential increase in the long-term Let's move this concept from the abstract into the concrete. Just consider the value that a maximum annual contribution can reach in 30 to 40 years. With average, historically reasonable market returns, consistently maxing out a 401k or an IRA can grow into a multi-million-dollar nest egg. This isn't a lottery ticket, it is pure mathematics at work. Time is the most critical ingredient in this formula, making every single year count. The long-term impact of this strategy extends far beyond the numbers you see on a financial statement. This is about buying yourself true freedom. It is the freedom from financial worry, the freedom to choose work you love, and the freedom to retire on your own terms. Every dollar you contribute today is a definitive vote for your future autonomy. This perspective shifts saving from a burden to a powerful act of self-determination. This steady, disciplined, long-term approach also builds profound financial resilience and character. By focusing on consistent contributions rather than trying to perfectly time the market, you cultivate a mindset that will serve you through inevitable periods of volatility. you are building a robust financial foundation that isn't shaken by short-term economic noise, securing genuine peace of mind along with your financial security for decades to come. Ultimately, maximizing your retirement accounts isn't a frantic race to become the wealthiest person in the cemetery. This is a strategic, deeply personal, and meaningful journey of building a life of security, choice, and purpose. It is about ensuring the person you will be in 30 or 40 years can look back and sincerely thank the person you are today for their foresight and discipline. We have explored the mindset, the science, and the strategy behind maximizing your retirement savings. But the true goal is not just about accumulating wealth. It is about architecting a life of genuine well-being. This is about moving beyond the obsession with a specific account balance and focusing on what that number provides: security, opportunity, and the invaluable peace of mind to live your life fully and without fear. This journey is about fostering a healthy and empowering relationship with money, one where it becomes a tool to serve your life's purpose, not a master that dictates your every move. By automating your long-term savings, you free up your precious mental and emotional energy to focus on what truly matters to your family, your health, your passions, knowing your future is being diligently secured in the background. The sustainable financial habits you build today create a powerful ripple effect that extends far beyond your own life. You not only secure your own future but also set a powerful example for your children and your community. You are demonstrating that true financial health is achieved through diligence, patience, and a long-term perspective, not through risky gambles or stressful obsessions. This is a true legacy of wisdom. Your retirement years should be a time of profound fulfillment, not constant financial stress. By taking these deliberate, gradual steps now, you are giving your future self the greatest possible gift: the ability to live with dignity, pursue long-held dreams, and navigate life's inevitable uncertainties from a position of strength. All powered by the quiet, unstoppable magic of *** compound interest *** that you started cultivating today. The path to your secure future begins now, with a single, simple decision, a choice to rewrite your financial story for the better. What is the one small step you will take today after watching this video? Share it in the comments below to make a public commitment to your future self. Thank you for investing this time in you. Your future is absolutely worth it.